Okay, so the amp meter is in and working, and it's pretty sweet. It's right now it's just a dome light and a little power draw from hour meter. 96 hours on it so far. We got to get it up to 635. So it's drawing 1.1 amps. What's cool is you go ahead and turn on the, turn on the overhead, and then you look down and we're going, well, there we go. So that's there we go. Those on. So we got the bar lights two front, and then the overhead, and this seems pretty accurate for all three of those bar lights. It's drawing almost 15 amps. So tells you a bunch of different numbers. 189 watts, 8 watt hours. So pretty cool. Okay.